But Sarah, it's normal to ask for a mistrial. We see it all the time, don't we?
We do, Stephanie, but there still has to be a basis. Otherwise, you look like a jackass. Like, you know, this lawyer who constantly makes these motions to exclude black people from a public courtroom in a public trial. I mean, I lost count how many times he renewed that motion where he knows damn well that, you know, it would be denied. It's frivolous. And the idea here is also this: as a criminal defense attorney in the year 2021, your job is not just to defend the client and uphold the Constitution. You also have to participate in this, you know, movement for systemic change. And for a lawyer to make that kind of motion, knowing that it's a losing motion, is a complete disgrace. But yeah, I mean, I think, of course, they have to preserve the record for appeal. If there's a conviction, they want to make these motions, but there still has to be a basis for those motions. And I think they're just sort of shooting in the dark and hoping that something will stick. With respect to, Stephanie, if I may, Mr. Roddy Bryan's defense, you know, yes, he was there. Yes, he was, you know, allegedly an aider and abettor. But I think his attorney did a good job at painting him as a dumb rubbernecker who sort of came out to see what the hell is going on. He drove up to just see what's happening, and then he started filming everything. I think, you know, the lack of knowledge on his part as to what was happening and then moving his truck out of the way helps him. I mean, this is, again, proof beyond a reasonable doubt. That is not a low bar.
Sarah, it may be despicable and absurd what the defense attorney tried to do, the request to ban black pastors, but the fact that he was willing to do it, knowing it would get thrown out, what does that tell you about the mindset of this jury, where we are in the country?
Yeah, that speaks volumes, Stephanie, because that statement is exactly why we're in this courtroom in the first place, right? You have a jury that does not represent the community. The community in this area is apparently 25% to a third black, and you've got one black person on this jury. Now, this became an issue, the peremptory challenges, you know, that they got rid of a lot of black individuals and ultimately ended up with one. The judge questioned whether this was based on race and then ultimately decided that there was some basis, some legitimate cause to dismiss these jurors. But yeah, we're in a part of the country. It is not New York. It is not LA. And it is very scary. And that's why I believe, you know, that the comment about the LDT, the long, dirty toenails, is, you know, to this jury, that could go a long way. You know, they could be like, ooh, you know, the boogeyman in the neighborhood with the long, dirty toenails. Oh, my God, he's guilty. He's a criminal. And also because he's black. So, you know, I think this prosecutor needs to play the race card way more in rebuttal, because they've now opened the door. They've essentially argued that this guy is a criminal because he's black and he's running.